I start with my shoulders. When my shoulders feel exhausted, I go on to my triceps or my biceps. What is up? Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are part of the Fit in 5 series. Might be a little bit more than 5 minutes, but we'll always be under 10. We are focusing on our upper body, just coming up and down. Today we won't need any weight, just focusing on building up the muscles around our joints to age with ease. Keeping our shoulders down so you're not engaging that upper trap. Good, they should be burning. Shake it out, we're onto our triceps. Straight in the back, tiny break. Straight in the back, tiny break. When I go on to working my upper body, I start with my shoulders. When my shoulders feel exhausted, I go on to my triceps or my biceps. You can still see, even while doing these exercises, my shoulders are still working, but for the most part, I'm focusing on my tricep, keeping my arm locked out, straight, tiny break, and then you're straight again. Good. You should feel it in your tricep, which is this muscle back here. Straight, tiny break, and you're straight again. Good, good, good. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our grip strength, and all you're gonna do is squeeze your hands together and relax them. And we're gonna do that while doing this curl. So you're also engaging more muscles than just your hands and your forearms. So anytime I'm doing upper body work, I like to engage my lower half by just going on my toes, which forces me to keep my core tight and works on your balance. Like you see, this workout is completely equipmentless, so you can take this workout anywhere. Do it in the car. My dad does a lot of driving, so these are the workouts that he could do even with one hand, and then switch over to the other side. And even my mom, she works behind a desk, so she can do these. She's slower at work. She'll do these workouts. She'll take a band to work because that feels good too, just kind of stretching everything. And then lastly, we're just going to work on a little bit of mobility, coming all the way up in the back. Bring your arms up. Started doing these workouts after my mom took my online Fit in 5 course. And it's helped her just move more, stay consistent. Recording these workouts holds me accountable as much as it holds her accountable, because then it's fun. I'll send her one, and then I'm like, watch this part, just talking through it. All these movements, my course, everything is about aging with ease and just keeping your fitness regimen simple. To learn more about it, you can check out my fitness blueprint for a busy mind, which is linked below. Okay, good. Everything should be feeling it, a little bit crispy, blood is flowing, and that is it. So this is a green thumbnail, so it is for all fitness levels, but maybe a little bit more geared towards people who have taken some time off of working out or just kind of getting back into things. So green thumbnail, that is that. Next, we will be doing a pink thumbnail, which is a little bit more challenging, more geared towards the workout that I do to continue crispening up, toning up. So see you in that video.